Radio 1, Radio 1.
FM 94.3.
Hey, what you doing, child?
Chamaraj paid Charles.
Ayo, people are going on saying recession and all. But all the prices seems to go up like the whole market is eating Viagra, man. You all don't know, eh? The flower prices went up so high during Valentine. I don't know where to go and need to buy flowers. Slowly and quickly went off to Swastika. Bought off a bunch of Patmiri and bunch of carrot pile. My Susie girl was so excited. She took that bouquet and made off full bloody bobo curry and one big curly ball. What a ball we had that night. We didn't know where was what any. But you know what goes on these days, Chain? The petrol prices have come down, but still the other fellas want more katasa. What means they keep saying gas problem. But no matter what prices go up, the planes and banks are always flying up there. You all saw the air show, eh? Oh yeah? All the super planes are flying on top of our sky, honey. All making noise like old Uncle Jimmy running to the bathroom. Oh, Betty, but all the pilots have been asked the government to clear the skies their Jacko Chain. Why means they don't want any birds to get stuck in their jets.
Chamaraj paid Charles.
Hey, Alibi, want to see some important cockpits, eh?
Radio 1, Radio 1.